We have Screamin' Liam Reed out of West Warwick, Rhode Island, doing it for Rob's Coffee Plus and Grammy. Christian Russell out of Griswold, Connecticut, doing it for Protestant. And Eric Bergehan out of Coventry, Rhode Island. Gate drops down. It looks like Russell's got the hole shot. Looks like Screamin' Liam Reed pulls ahead though.
No, pedal Liam, go.
Bergehan does a little.
Keep going. Keep pedaling through it, Liam.
Reed's back in the lead. This is all over the place. It looks like Bergehan's down. We have Reed,
Go, pump it.
Russell, Bergehan. We'll check on our down rider. We have Screamin' Liam Reed, Christian Russell, and Eric Bergehan. All right, let's hear it for our down rider. He's back up. That's Eric Bergehan. By the way, this guy just moving into the intermediate class this past week, and he was right there. First week in intermediate, riding with the big boys. Good job, Eric. And here he goes, Mr. Bergehan. Excellent work.